Remove the actuator screw. Remove the fill-refill screw. Push the Allen wrench down through the piston lock screw. Push the piston down to the bottom of the piston hole. Remove the bleed screw. Insert #28 grease fitting. Pump oil into the unit. Watching the bleed, looking for air. I have a steady flow of oil with no air coming through it. Insert the bleed screw. Pump the unit up till the Allen wrench stops. You'll know then that the piston has been seated against the piston lock screw. It stopped, don't pump anymore. Remove the Allen wrench. Remove the refill screw. Insert the refill screw. Insert the actuator screw. Before you do that, you want to inspect to see that the piston's all the way up against the piston lock screw, which it is. The unit has been refilled. It's ready for use.
Mm-hmm.